Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi Mobile home screen setting, and today's video title is guys how to use Redmi Mobile app driver mode setting, how to set Redmi Mobile app driver, how to use all app with app driver mode setting. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, if you swipe here, so as you can see, all app is not showing with app driver mode setting, and you want to use Redmi Mobile app driver mode setting. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here and open your device home screen setting. So friends, after turn on home screen setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi Mobile. So friends, open your phone home screen setting, classic mode and app driver mode you want to use, so you can use. Friends, I will use with app driver mode setting. So friends, with app driver mode you can display all icon in app driver mode setting, and if you click here, so you cannot use. So friends, I will click here right side app driver mode setting. After app driver mode setting friends, swipe here, you can display all app in app driver mode setting, and friends you can check home screen style will change automatic again. Swipe here, you can use all app in app driver mode setting. Friends, again if you click here classic mode setting, so friends you can check home screen style mode is changed, and if you swipe here, so you cannot use Redmi Mobile app driver mode setting, you cannot use all app in app driver mode setting. You want to use app driver mode, so friends right click here with app driver mode setting, and you can use display all icon in app driver mode, home screen style will change. And then if you on app driver mode setting, so you can use home screen shortcut setting also. If you click here background color you can change, and you can use background color setting. Friends, if you click here scroll bar, friends you want to change Redmi Mobile right side this scroll bar original layout, and you want to show A to Z. So friends, click here right side, swipe here A to Z alphabet will show here right side. And again if you click here original layout setting, so you can use original layout setting, A to Z will not show. So like that friends, you can use home screen shortcut setting, and you can use Redmi Mobile app driver mode setting and classic mode setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.